Alright, I'm back. We moved to the floor.
Pass my phone.
We're gonna pass some phones and we'll get back to building this monstrosity of a tool set. Got that Droid X.
Baby. Baby, you should come help me.
Feels like this is a family art project we got going on here. We got cats about to jump down
like
and
puzzle. You just gotta. It's like a puzzle right now. You just gotta put the pieces together. Watch, you're gonna see the video because Jesse's making a video. How I got grease stains on me already?
All right, we got some grease stains on the finger. Let's see those grease stains. I don't know if y'all can see that. We got them black grease stains on the finger. So y'all better be wearing some gloves.
Stop making love.
We got cats making love to the edges, trying to close it on us because he does not want this. He wants this operation to fail. Y'all got cat anus walking out the door. Alright, so let's see if y'all get a better view of what we're working with here. These are the grooves. That's what we got so far. We got a whole bunch of bolts and stuff down here. Y'all look. We got these things down here. It looks like we got an empty space right here. If y'all look, it actually is supposed to stretch the length of the gap. That's alright, don't worry. That's hopefully what it's supposed to be. We're gonna go back to putting these nameless pieces and these nameless number holes.
Oh no!
I see. That's one thing I gotta watch out for. Make sure y'all don't got no loose sleeves because they will latch onto these wrenches and you will make a mess.
Hi, baby. Oh my god, this cat is crying.
We got cats crying because this is so much work and so many pieces.
I wanna know why there's a hole here. Is this supposed to be?
If y'all look under here, if y'all look, y'all got that hole. We don't know what that hole is for. We got a random hole in there now, so. We got these wrenches keep getting tossed around by loose leaves.
Alright, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere.
It looks like we're making progress until we open up the next bag of goodies and we have to start all over with a new set. Trying to soothe the savage beast that is our cat, and trying to put these wrench head things in the slot that they belong in.
Check the progress of the movie.
$58.
Hi, Shadow, you back?
Cat, you're on YouTube. Alright. Go on, get over there.
Where you going, bro? Baby, you sound like you're having a lot of fun.
Yeah, she having too much fun, she need to come help us.
Who's that? That's still Vanessa? Where's JoJo? Whoa, I'm missing a bag.
Alright, it looks like we're missing some pieces. So we're gonna go check Gonna go look back on our.
Just bring all those bags.
We're gonna go gather our stack of sacks. We got this giant, heavy stack of sacks. Got our hex keys, Allen keys, house keys, whatever you want to call these. If you look inside this bag, I don't know if y'all can see that, it actually comes with a cloth, which means they know they got grease on their stuff. It looks like some kind of eyeglass cloth.
No, that's another bag, man.
Is that really?
Yeah, see?
Alright, scratch that. That's actually not a cloth. It's just another bag. A bag in a bag.
Find me something. Find me what's in this.
Wait, no. I think that's it right there. Is that it? Is that one of them?
Looks like it.
Alright. We think we found our next bag of... Ugh.
This is 17. 17. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Oh, right here.
Alright, so these giant things in this new bag, we're gonna be putting them in this.
Ay! I need a massage after this.
In retrospect, this would have been a lot easier to film on the flip, because then we could have just edited the video off of that.
You can still edit the video on the computer. Whoa, this has 3H also.
I'm injured. See that? Got a cut.
I have 3/8. Okay.
Alright, apparently we got 2 3/8 right here. Now we got a whole bunch of 3/8 on the case, but we don't know what they want us to put in there. Just so make sure we're not making these videos too long, I'm gonna make a quick split and be right back.